Why does your scanner show the P2401 engine code? What does it mean? P2401 is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP Leak Detection Pump Control Circuit Low. It indicates that the ECM has detected the EVAP Leak Detection Pump Control Circuit has low voltage. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EVAP leak detection pump. Charcoal canister issues. Fuel cap problems. Leaking or cracked fuel vapor lines. Faulty purge control solenoid. Open or short in the wiring harness. Defective EVAP leak detection pump circuit wiring. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, BMW, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.